Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how we wire up a button and a relay to a Schneider m241 PLC. To the COM0 terminal we want to connect 0 voltage DC to make the inputs PNP. And to the button we want to wire 24 voltage DC on one side. Then on the other side we connect it to input terminal 0. My PLC is a transistor-based PLC, so we will need both 24 and 0 voltage DC connected to the DC in terminals. From the Q0 output on the PLC we want to connect to the relay's A1 terminal. Then on the A2 terminal of the relay we need to wire up 0 voltage DC. This is all the wiring we need to the PLC. I have loaded the PLC with a simple program that makes my push button activate the relay. Let's test it out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.